Oh, I'm in a quandary now. I backed myself right up here, and I remember where I stopped, so I'm gonna get this out just a little bit first. If I gotta go out this door, and this time I'm just gonna fill up these nail holes with my paint roller, because we had some floor tile here before, right at the front by the door. So since I have my paintbrush here, I'm going to take it out, back out of those holes to a certain extent, best I can anyways. Guess I could have hit those with the paintbrush first too, couldn't I? Now I can just go over it lightly, blend it in from where I stopped before. I'm not going to go too much further to the door yet. Now, see, I can open the door to there, working myself right out of a job. Oh, I might need a little bit more sealer. If you have a question about how far to go, just go out a little bit further so that you know you're covered. Last thing you want to do is not get your floor covered. Okay? All right. Need to get myself just a little bit more here. Prop this screen open too. Yes, like that. Now I can get these holes with my paintbrush. Get some of the excess out. I think when I do the roller, some of it's going to go back again anyways, but we'll see. Now I can go back this way. Does the owner approve?
Very.
Very, okay. A woman of many words. Okay, now
Yes, it's fantastic. I really love it.
Oh, good. I gotta be careful with this. And see, I even have a floor mat here. I should turn that upside down in case I get any footprints on that. I gotta be careful with this. I should have had a piece of foam pad out here, something I can put this on, but I'm just gonna be careful with it. And out the door I go. I think I can reach that. Yeah, I can reach that. In fact, I'm going to have to lock it. I want to make sure that's locked. Okay. There. Almost looked like I knew what I was doing. Okay. I think I got it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Now here's a tip for you. I was going to leave that ceiling fan on. What I should have done was I should have pulled the chain, because one light switch turns off the ceiling fan and the light bulbs. Now, with us being gone here for the next 4 or 5 hours, the lights are going to be on, but they're only little bulbs, and in fact they are LEDs, and I'm kind of happy about that. She took those regular incandescent bulbs out. She put LEDs that look pretty much like an incandescent. I thought they were incandescent bulbs, but they're not. They're LEDs. Really not going to cost me money. I'm going to leave the switch. I've opted to leave the switch on. These lights are going to be on because I want the ceiling fan on. All the ceiling fans are on in the house. The fan down the hallway. This is going to be nice and dry when we get back. You still here? Okay, I'll show you what I do with the last little bit of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up rinsing this out, and I'll rinse out this cover too. And I guess I'll put it here on this plastic for right now. And I'm not going to throw away the last little bit of this sealer. I'm going to keep it. Okay, so I'm just going to dump it carefully back into here. And you want to do this, you don't want to do this over your finished floor. That could do one room right there. One hallway, one closet, whatever. Now I don't have to rinse this container out. I'm just going to let that set. And later, after this floor dries, I can use the same insert and pour in some more and do the next coat. There you go. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.